Look at this. I'm starting with 1.5 cups of uncooked rice. Here I've got about 6 cloves of garlic confit, and I'm going to smash those right into the rice. Add a couple of tablespoons of that oil too. That's flavor right there. Half an onion diced. 2 cups of chicken broth. That'll help cook all the flavor into this rice. Half a cup of heavy whipping cream. That'll make it rich. Onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and dried oregano. Salt and black pepper for taste, like a teaspoon each. And give that a mix. I've got 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs going right on top of the rice. Season the chicken too. A little salt, a little pepper, a little smoked paprika. Cover it tightly, and you're going to bake it at 375 for 40 to 45 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Now I'm adding a cup of Monterey Jack cheese to the top to bring it together. Back into the oven, uncovered, just long enough for the cheese to melt. 10-15 minutes. Oh yeah, baby. Just a little squeeze of lemon juice at the end to wake it all up. Go on ahead and make your plate, baby. So good.